Alright, I've got another quick, short, easy video for you. Today we'll be looking at how to use a compression tester. So if you're testing your engine again and you're not sure if it has compression, it's not getting that combustion, well, this is a handy little tool to have around. It'll show you if your engine has compression and how much of that, if it does have any. So let's get started. Alright, so let's take a look at what you get inside of your kit here first. So it comes in a nice little case. Open it up, instructions, and here are what you get in the kit. So you have your gauge that tells you how much compression you've got, and then you've got the different adapters here and different sizes. So it has different size threads for your cylinder, and that adapts it to your hose, which is right here. And this removes from the case. Clipped in though, so it's pretty solid. So here's your hose, and what you'll do is you'll get the proper adapter, and I believe this is the proper adapter for my engine, but it comes with a whole array of different ones. So depending on your engine or your whatever you're going to be testing the compression of, then this fitting simply, very smoothly, actually, it goes right on there, and it seals with a rubber gasket. So once that's on there, you then screw this into your engine block or your spark plug. You have to remove the spark plug, put this in that spot, and then it comes with these different attachments for your gauge here. Got a quick attach on there. So you pull that back, insert one of these, and then what you'll do is you'll take this and you'll push this into that cylinder hole where the spark plug goes, that little threaded area. You'll press it in there, and then when you go to pull the cord, it'll tell you when you have this style, you have to have a partner to pull for you, and then you can push. Otherwise, you can use the hose and screw it in, and that will be able to help you out if you're doing it by yourself. And then you click and it comes out. That's a straight one, and then you have an angled one, which again, put it right in there, clips right in. And then this here, you push this to release the pressure. So once you've tested your gauge, it'll be stuck there. When you remove it, you push this and it'll release all the pressure and go back to 0. So it's a nice little kit there. And again, the hose, forgot to show that. The hose clips on as well. And there you go, clipped in, and then you get your adapter, and there you go. That's the kit. So let's go try it out. All right, and so I have this all set up, and the first thing I need to do is again disconnect your spark plug boot, and then you're going to need to unscrew your spark plug, because this is going to have to screw into the same hole that the spark plug screws into. So we'll remove this, and then we'll put this in there, and then I'll go ahead and give it a pull and give you a look at what it is at. And then I like to remove the gauge at this point because it's easier to screw it in without the gauge. So we'll find the hole here. It can be a little bit difficult to screw it in at first if you don't know where the hole is. There we go. And then just screw it in and make sure it's fairly tight. You don't have to crank down on it, but just so that there's a pretty good seal. Then you can go ahead and put your gauge on. And there's the gauge. Alright, I have the gauge installed. I've got you zoomed in on it so that way you can see it go up. I'm going to go ahead and pull on the cord, and you'll see it climb. Now while it's climbing, keep pulling the cord until you see the needles stop. So here we go. Alright, and then again, to relieve the pressure in the gauge, all you need to do is push this button and it will reset it and take all the pressure out of the gauge. Well, thanks for watching again. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.